Waley, a Karachi-based group known for improvisational comedy for the last 6 years, staged a show titled French Toast at French Cultural Centre. Speaking on the occasion, President Alliance Francaise Bina Shah introduced the troupe.
Waley, they are a bilingual comedy collective performing improvisational comedy and actively entertaining audiences since 2012.
Waley stage shows over 150 times in a number of cities. Osama Sayyid Sami told that in their live performances, they engage the spectators by incorporating their suggestions.
Whatever you are going to see tonight will be unrehearsed, unscripted, and based completely on your suggestions.
Theme shows presented by them are Sans Frontières, New Year, Valentine Day, Bollywood, Eid, wedding season, etc. French Toast was a cross-cultural experience in which they involved the audience in games.